Hello and welcome to the project management series with JIRA.
Today, we are going to cover maximum topics related to the JIRA tool, in which we will create an account on Atlassian to use JIRA. Then, we will create a project on JIRA, and inside the project, we will create an epic. Next, a user story will create, and we will also create subtask and task inside the user story. Then we will again move ahead and create sprints. Inside the sprint, we will add user stories to the sprint. Then we'll set priorities for the story. Next, we will add the points to the user story and add those stories to the team members. Next, we will add sprint goal and then create a release for a story. After that, we will start a sprint, change the status of a sprint, and finally close the sprint. So first of all, we need to make an account on Atlassian to use Jira and its other services such as Bitbucket, Trello, and many other. So head over to www.atlassian.com and open Atlassian homepage in any browser. Then go to My Account, click on Login. If you already have an account, then you can log in with your credentials or you can create a new one to log in. Else, you can also continue with your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple account, and Slack account. I will log in with my Google account. So let me click on Google. Once I successfully logged in, it will show my Atlassian dashboard. Now click on Jira software. It will land you on the project dashboard where you can see all your projects if created. If not, then you can create your project by clicking on the create project button. As soon as you click on the create project button, it will ask you to select a project template for your software development. Here, as you can see, it is giving three options, that is Kanban, Scrum, and bug tracking. So let me select Scrum and then I'm clicking on use template. Next, it is asking to choose the project type from team managed or company managed project options. Our project is going to be team managed. So I am selecting a team managed project option from here. Next, it is asking to give a project name. Once I enter the project name, it will automatically create a short key or short name for the project. Once it is done, click on create project and it will redirect you to your new project dashboard. On project dashboard, you can see your Scrum project with to do, in progress, and done column. You can also create more columns by clicking this plus sign according to your requirement. Next, in the left sidebar, we can see the project name, project title, planning and development section. Here, the development section is for your code, where you can manage all your development related things and connect with Bitbucket, Git, GitLab, and other source control or version control tools. Then we have the planning section. This is where we will manage our project. As you can see, we have a project roadmap, backlog items, and board to track our project progress. The next topic is epic. Before we create an epic, it is very important to know how software requirements are broken down in Agile. So let us understand this by taking an example. In this example, you can see an XYZ organization has taken an initiative to develop and launch a website with the goal to reach the maximum number of customers through internet. The initiative is nothing but it is a step taken to fulfill the goal of the organization, which can also be considered a project. Now, this project is further broken down into epics. As you know, a website can have different modules like developing a landing page, creating a contact form, etc. etc. Each of these modules are called epic because modules are large piece of work that can be broken down into user stories. The reason why we are breaking down our project into multiple sections or small pieces of work is because if we tell the development team to develop a landing page, it may not be possible for them because they need more details, such as how that landing page should look like and how do the header, footer and body of the page look like. So, user story give all the information to the development team they required. As you can see, the landing page module is broken down into the following user stories. Those are initial project setup, followed by create header of web app, then create a navbar for the web app and create a footer for the web app. Similarly, the other modules can also be broken down into their respective user stories. Now, we have enough information to create an epic for our web project. So, go to the project dropdown and select the project for which you want to create epic. Here, I am selecting this project from the list. Next, I will click on the create button. You can see a new pop-up is opened where the project name is auto-populated in the project field. Then in the issue type, you need to select Epic. Next, in summary, type the name of the epic. In our case, I will name the epic as developing a landing page web application. And in the description, it's good to have all the informations. So we will write the following points in the description box. And those are epic description, desired outcome of project, business value, scope, prerequisite, constraints, assumptions, references, UX or UI, links or the images. All these informations will be mentioned in the description box of Epic. So that's all from this video. In the next video, we will continue our project management series.